Yo fellows, what's up? Procaxor and welcome back to another video. So today is the lecture 7 of logo making on Adobe Illustrator 2021 in Windows 10. So in today's video, we will learn how to add text, more about text and how to add text on a path and also how to edit text like shapes. So let's get started. Okay guys, to begin with, just go to your Adobe Illustrator and you can see I've just made a document. I have just made a triangle with a yellow fill and blue stroke 6 points. So now to add text, just go to the left corner and you can see the text tool here. It's also saying text tool, or you can just click T to access the text tool. Now I've just clicked T and got the text tool. We can also get it by clicking here. So now we will add text. So let's write hi. Now to increase its size and do more changes, you guys will need to you need to select it. Without it, you cannot edit its size. So you just go select here. Now we will edit it to 60. Now to go beyond 72, you can just write it or just use the selection tool and drag it by clicking shift to make it equal. So now we are done with adding text. Now let's move on to more about text. So in here we will learn more about text. So first of all, we will learn how to add a specific paragraph area. So it just means we will just draw an area in which we will type. Okay, let's go there. Now we will just select it and increase its size. So now you can see only this area is where I can write. Now you can see a red dot has appeared. I will just zoom in for you guys. You can see a red dot has appeared. So it is showing that some of the text it's outside of the box. It means it is not showing. So now let's just go back to view, fit artwork in window. Now let's go to selection tool. Now when we increase its size, the red box has disappeared. So it means that all the text is in the box. When we lower it to small, you can see it is saying some of the text is in the box while rest is not shown. So now just erase it by just pressing backspace. Now let's select this text. Now we will change the style of the text. So you can just change the style by clicking here, set the font family. You can just go anywhere and select these are the default fonts. You can see so many. And if you need to find more fonts, just go to up here, find more. So it's just installing. So you can find more fonts from here. You can also filter for fonts like sans serif without serif and serif with serif and many more. You can save as favorite. You can see shown recently added and show active font. So I've not activated any font. So let's just go back. If you want to clear this filter, just click here and you can see everything is back to normal. So we will just change it to here. So this looks okay now. A little blurry. So let's change it to a bold big size. So this looks okay now. Let's edit from here. You can just edit the shapes color, the text color. You can see I will just change it to green. So you can see it has been edited it to green. You can add also stroke. Let's increase the stroke to 9 points. Let's give it 3 or something. So this looks good. Now we can, when we have selected a specific text, we can also choose from regular. In some texts there are more options. So to get more options, just click here, and you can see there's a we can underline from here, rotation, and many more. You can see from here, change the language and many more. So you can also edit the paragraph like this, alignment. So we are just okay with this, like create online arrange. So now let's move on to how to add text to a path. So now to add text to a path, just select the text tool and just so we need to edit the text to this yellow circle. You can see here. So it is on the back of everything. Now to add text, when you bring it near to this outer line, you can see text tool border turns into a circle. That means the text will go inside the circle. But if you don't want it, just click the Alt or Alt key and you can see it. We can edit it outside. When we click here, the yellow piece has removed. That is because it is now a text object. Okay, so we will just write happy robot and increase its size. So let's increase this size to, let's see, 60 looks okay. Now to move to move it around the circle, just click on the happy robot and you can see it is around the circle in which the happy robot has been written. Now if we rotate this, the happy robot rotates with it. So this looks okay. So I've just pressed the shift key to make a 45-degree angle. So now this looks good. Happier robot. So guys, we are done with how to add text to a path. You can see I've just made 2 rings from here just with no fill. I've just made this box from here and this. Oh well, if you want to try it, you can try it by making this. I'll just show you the layers. These are all the layers. So now let's move on here to how to edit text like shapes. So to edit text like shapes, just select the text. Now you can edit text like shapes. To do it, just go above and you can see the type option. Now just click it and just go to create outline, then click here. Now you can see the text looks like a little bluish on around. Now to edit it like a tag, like a shape, just go here and to direct selection to. Now you can see many points have shown up. These are to edit the shape. Now just drag around until you can see the top of, just drag around the top of the edge and now you can increase it. Let's now change the bottom. So this looks good. Now this is helpful. You can make different types, edit like shapes. So in different logos, it identifies your logo. So now let's first of all this. If you made a mistake, just click Cursor plus Z, or just go to edit and undo whatever you have done. So now let's go to back to selection tool. First of all, I will just ungroup these. Now let's move it a little above. Now we will go back to the direct selection tool and select the bottom, and we will just drag it from there. Let's just adjust a little bit. So now let's edit this and this L. Drag around top and just drag it to the top. Let's add this to just select the upper first. Now we will drag it to the top. Now let's select this circle. Now now we can drag it up here to make it like an X shape. Now this is a signature look, so you can make different like this is to make your text look out or look different. So guys, we have covered up how to add text, more about all the option about text. We have learned how to add text to the path, you can see here, and we have learned how to edit text like shapes. So guys, we are done for today. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit that notification bell to get more of the videos. Comment down below how was the video and comment if you face any problem. Have a good day and bye.